Hello, Missed Clarinets, and thank you very much for joining me for this Blinding Lights Clarinet 1 tutorial. Today we're going to be learning verse 2. Before we get started, please remember to do your physical warm-up with myself, Miss Bissell, and there's a warm-up video on YouTube. Please make sure that you've warmed up with the A natural minor scale. If you're not sure how to play that, then please go on to the A natural minor scale tutorial video, and remember that you can pause or rewind this video if you need to revisit anything at any point. So to pause, remember that you press K on the keyboard or you press the pause button on the computer, and then to rewind it you just click on the playback bar, which is the red line, and drag where you would like to play from. So let's get started. Before we play what we've got on the screen, we're going to just warm up with the A minor scale, and I'd like us to play each note this rhythm: ta, ti, ta, ti, ta. So it will sound like this. So get your fingers on the note A and join in with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. So A natural minor scale with a interesting rhythm. So just park how that rhythm went in your head, and we're going to come back to that in a moment. Let's have a look at everything that we've got on the screen. We've got loads of different colours. Let me just translate what all of this stuff means. So first off, the stuff in the blue box, those are all of our Kadai sounds. We've got our rests at the top, and then we've got our notes. So the first column is the notes, then we've got the Kadai sound, and then the final column tells you how many beats those notes last for. Then we've got our Nando's pyriometer. So anything that is green, that means that it is mild, it's going to be easier. Anything that is yellow, that is going to be medium, it's going to be more complicated. So let's start off with the easiest bits first. So you can see at the top here, we've got the notes A, G, A, G. So can we try playing that? Actually, let's just say the Kadai sounds once. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and T, 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 T. Very good. Let's say the notes. 3, 4. A, G, A, G. Let's say mine. 3, 4. A, G, A, G. Let's play. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now to already make it better, we're going to add the articulation. Can you see that we've got the slurs? We've got A, G, A, G. It'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you try that? 1, 2, 3, 4. A, G, A, G. Excellent. Now it's worth spending a little bit of time on that because you can see it happens here, it happens here, and it happens here. Let's have a look at the next mild section. Now it's a little bit more complicated because the Kadai sounds are a little bit more advanced. So we start off with a mu sound because we've got a 2-beat note. Then we've got ta, ta. Then we've got ti, ti, and then a 2. Let's not worry about the tie for now. So can we just say the Kadai sounds? Oh, and don't forget the at the end. Here we go. Let's say the Kadai sounds. Remember to whisper the rests. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ta, ti, ti, 2. Excellent. Now, most of you would have already spotted that we've got a D tied to another D. So we're going to say tie. We're going to hold that note for the whole length. So instead of saying ti, ti, 2, we're going to go ti, tie. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ta, ti, tie. Great. Can we please play that on the tonic note, which is an A? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now just take 5 seconds to figure out those 4 notes. The first one is easy peasy because it is on the second line, therefore it must be a G. Great, let's say the notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, A, E, D. Excellent. Let's say a mime. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, A, E, D. Great. Now let's play it with the rests, everything like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Let's improve it straight away by adding our articulation. So we're slurring between the G to the A, and we're slurring between the E to the D. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Now we're ready for the next bit of spice. So let's find the medium challenge. Let's figure out the Kadai signs. Just take 5 seconds, figure out this Kadai signs. It's either a ta or a T. Very, very good. Well done. You'd have noticed that that was the rhythm that we used to warm up our scale. So here we go. 1, 2, Kadai, go. Ta, ti, ta, ti, ta. Excellent. Let's play it on the note A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Let's play it on the note E. Ta, ti, ta, ti, ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play it on a G. Finally on a B. One more time on a B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Just take 5 seconds, figure out all of the notes that you've got in that bar. Excellent. They were the notes that we already played, which is great. So let's say the notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. B, G, G, A, E. And again, 3, 4. B, G, G, A, E. Excellent. Let's say a mime. Starting off on a B, everything down. 1, 2, 3, 4. B, G, G, A, E. Very good. Let's try playing it nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 3, 4. 2 more times. 3, 4. Last time. 3, 4. Excellent. You musical detectives out there will have spotted the reason why I said let's play it 4 times is because in the music we play that pattern 4 times. We've now covered everything that we need to play in this piece. The only other things that we need to look out for are the rests. So here, look out, we've got an A, and then we've got A, G, A, G. And then again, we've got moo here. And then can you see figure I for the last 2 bars is absolutely identical from here. The only other thing to point out is where it says 8VA. That means octave above. So if when you're playing this in an orchestra, if the conductor asks you to play at the octave above, you simply need to play the higher versions of all of those notes. We won't worry about going through the tutorial now because it's only if it's required, but if it does go up the octave, it'll sound like this. Etc, etc, etc. So I reckon we are ready to play this with the backing track. So I recorded this earlier. So let's get our fingers on the note A. Good luck, here we go. Good job, guys, well done. Let's try going to the medium tempo this time. So if you didn't quite get that, that's fine. Pause the video, rewind it, practice it without the backing track, then practice it with the backing track. If you're ready for the next bit of spice, then we're going to try it with the faster tempo, which is going to be the medium level of spice. So fingers ready on an A? Here we go. done, guys, well done. I know that that is a fast tempo, so if you weren't able to play it quite at speed, don't worry at all, it's absolutely fine. Practice this with the backing track, practice it without the backing track, and you will get there eventually. But really, really well done for today. Thank you very much for joining me. Next week, we're going to go over the final section of this piece, and then we're going to play the entire thing. But you did really, really well today. Keep practicing this with this video, and I will see you very soon.